stand before you guys. I am running for Clark County School District Trustee, District G. My name is John Carlo.
Yeah.
And we do have some great speakers. I support so many of them. I am a constitutionalist at heart. My political experience, well, first I want to tell you where my respect for public education started. When my mother became a kindergarten teacher, and she was teaching kindergarten down the hall. And then my respect grew for public education when I misbehaved. She walked down the hallway and spanked me in our class bathroom. I come from the South where they still spank children. And I still remain So I moved here about 3 years ago.